everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as promised and as the title suggests, you're gonna be seeing my empty house tour today, and I'm super excited that I finally get to shoot this video after 2.5 months of me shifting to Melbourne. So I really hope you guys like it, and if you are new to my channel, then hi, my name is Benicia. Thank you so much for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. This is gonna be super basic, literally like we are starting from scratch. So this is definitely not a time to invest in all the fancy furniture. So that's why I'm going to keep it real and show you what is exactly there in my house. So I hope you guys like it. Now let's get into the video. Now here is a clip of how my apartment looked like after 2 months of us moving inside. Like there were like absolutely no furniture, and the first thing we made sure to get through in this house is to arrange the kitchen completely, and we made sure that we got everything for the kitchen, and that was our first priority, and we did that. The kitchen is the corner of the hall, and it is the island kitchen which I always wanted, and it comes with this inbuilt stove, oven and a dishwasher. It is really small, but it is perfect for two people, and the storage is also not that much, I would say, but it is okay as of now because we just started up. The kitchen is actually a part of the hall, and this is my hall without any furniture currently. So yeah, it was a nice rainy day, and you see all the boxes there, right, which is all the small stuffs we got from Amazon, vacuum cleaners and all the other stuff. So it was a nice rainy day outside, and that's why you see all the clothes drying inside the house. And this particular corner that you see here is my favorite spot in the house. I feel this is like a very soothing and very peaceful place in the house. And it is also very beautiful to just see and sit and watch the garden view from my apartment. And on the other side, the box that you see lying in the middle of my hall is actually a table that we ordered, but unfortunately it's a defected piece and we had to return it, so we had dismantled it and put it there. Now if you walk straight, you can see three doors, where the first door in the right is a washroom, and then the room that is straight is another bedroom which I'm currently using as a studio room, and the one in the left is the master bedroom. And here there is a small cupboard like thing which is actually the washing machine area, where the washing machine is there and everything for the washing machine is actually kept. So that is it, guys. This is my empty house tour, and I really wanted to show you guys before. And this is how my house looked before we got the furnishing done, and I really wanted to share it with you guys. And I guess it looks a lot different than our regular Indian houses. I mean, at least to me it does. It looks so much different than how I used to live in India, but I really like it. It's like very simple and a basic apartment, and I'm really liking it. So yeah, we went to shopping to IKEA later, and I will be posting that video next, so you get to see what all we got for this house. And I hope you guys will like it, and I'll see you guys in another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.